Well, turning our attention to whether we are tracking this Hurricane Matthew. Here's the latest. This is our infrared imagery. And what infrared is it shows the energy of these storms, and we're looking at the reds and yellows. It's not a radar. It doesn't mean how much rain is falling, but how much energy we see. The brighter the reds, that means the more energy we're seeing. A lot of that energy you can find right around that eye. It's a very small eye. If there's any silver lining in all of this, it looks like the hurricane force winds are very close to the eye of that storm. We're not seeing those incredibly strong winds of 140 miles per hour really stretching out across the entire width of this storm. However, hurricane force winds, then that could include wind speeds even down to, say, 85 miles per hour, can be felt at least at 60 to 70 miles from the center of this storm. It's continuing to track off to the north and to the west. Check this out. Major hurricane force winds could be felt as far inland as Jacksonville there. Well, even though it's on the coast, but even from Daytona Beach to Jacksonville. And then those tropical storm force winds could even be felt almost to the other coast of Florida, to the western side. So we are looking at a big storm, and this will hug the coast where we could even feel those tropical and hurricane force winds all the way up through Wilmington, North Carolina. So we're continuing to watch this very closely, and the track of this is now veering out to the ocean after the next 48 hours. Here's a look at that Category 4 storm. We are seeing that make its way towards Daytona Beach, and then it's actually looking like it may circle back around and head back towards the southern tip of Florida yet again. Kind of interesting there. And this was a live look from our Storm Track Tower cam, where the skies are blue and temperatures are currently sitting at 82 degrees. Highs this afternoon back in the upper 80s. It's hard to believe, completely blue skies here, and that's exactly what we're going to see for the next couple of days. Mid-80s carries us through the weekend, and then temperatures cooling off with a passing cold front. Morning lows back in the 50s starting Sunday morning. And that's a look at your Storm Track 7-day forecast. Jamie?